Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best casual dress for women. The Dokotoo Women's Casual Loose Bohemian Floral Dress. This stunning piece has captured the hearts of many for its versatile design and effortless style, perfect for those warm summer days or breezy beach outings. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes this dress so special. The Dokotoo Bohemian Floral Dress features long puff sleeves and a charming V neckline that beautifully highlights the feminine silhouette. It's designed to be both comfortable and stylish, making it an excellent choice for casual wear. The ruffle L-line shape adds a playful touch, allowing for freedom of movement while keeping things chic. Crafted from 100% high-quality polyester, this dress is incredibly soft and breathable. The fabric drapes gracefully, creating a lovely flowy effect as you walk, which is perfect for those sun-kissed summer days. Its bohemian floral print adds a vibrant pop of color, capturing the essence of summer and spring. Whether you're attending a picnic, brunch with friends, or a beach party, this dress ensures you look effortlessly put together. Available in multiple sizes, the Dokotoo dress accommodates a wide range of body types. The loose fit offers comfort without sacrificing style, allowing you to enjoy your day without feeling restricted. The long lantern sleeves not only provide coverage but also add a touch of elegance to the overall look. Whether you prefer a more fitted style or something flowy, this dress caters to your personal style. Now, let's talk about styling. This dress is incredibly versatile. Pair it with sandals for a relaxed daytime look, or dress it up with wedges and statement jewelry for an evening out. Add a denim jacket for those cooler nights, and you have a complete outfit that transitions beautifully from day to night. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, the Dokotoo Women's Casual Loose Bohemian Floral Dress is a fantastic addition to any woman's wardrobe. With its chic design, comfortable fit, and versatile styling options, it's no wonder this dress is highly recommended. Whether you're running errands, heading to a garden party, or lounging at the beach, this dress will have you looking your best. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fashion insights. Would you wear the Dokotoo Bohemian dress? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy shopping.